Hi everyone, it's Catherine here. I'm coming on today to share with you a process video for a layout I'm creating for the May Scrap the Boys challenge. I'll leave the links below for the challenge blog. I showed at the beginning of this video the inspiration for this month, and it's a cute little boy in a tub having fun and playing with water. So I started with these cute little pictures of my son playing in a seashell pool at his Orma's house, and I've just cut this splash title from the Confessions of a Paper Addict. Also, I'll link that below if you'd like to check that out. So I'll put you on fast forward and give you a view of the process. As you can see, I've gone ahead and removed my cut file from the cutting mat, and I'm just spraying it with some Distress Oxide spray in Mermaid Lagoon. And I like the way that matched in with the colour of the pool that my son's playing in. And I'm using this Vicki Boutin mixed media background paper. I like the colours there. And that was the other reason I selected these frames. They're from the Dear Lizzie She's Magic collection. And I received those recently in a Kitaholics kit. I like this circle frame, but I realised it needed to be rectangular to fit how I wanted the layout to go. I do end up using this frame because the colours were just so perfect. But I do go ahead and kind of chop it down and make it into a rectangular shape. Later on, you'll see. So I'm just gluing the whole cut file down to this sheet of paper. This is the B side of the Kind Hearts paper, again from the Dear Lizzie collection, She's Magic. And I'm fussy cutting around the letters with my scissors. This is the easiest way to kind of back these letters. And I wanted the colours to be consistent across that title, so it was the best way to stick it down. And I'm just using my craft knife to get in between the letters so that I can fussy cut around them. And then I'll go ahead and place that there. And I wanted to use this word, never forget this, from that frame. And as you can see, I've kind of modified it there. I'm just going ahead and trying to pick out a background paper. These were all in the Kitaholics kit, but I couldn't get one that worked. So I do end up pulling one in from an old collection. It was the B-side of the Dream Big paper from Chamel's Sparkle City, and I've machine stitched around the edges. And now I'm just going ahead and trying to find some embellishments that'll work. I've pulled out the Hello Sunshine collection by Coco Vanilla Studio, and I've placed a few of those florals down, which I really like. And I'm just trying to find a few more things that'll work. I did have a flick through the Endless Summer collection, the printables that I've got. But yeah, the colouring just wasn't going to work. And I really like this paper and all the words on it. But yeah, I couldn't find the right sort of wording and colours to match in with the layout, but I have found this puffy sticker. It says love this, and his little face there is fun, and I love that. And I tried to make that Hello Sunshine work, and I actually liked it in the spot that I had it, but I do try and pull it back in and see if I can make it work somewhere, but I couldn't. I thought I might try and put some more florals on the layout, so I go ahead and fussy cut this blue flower and try it next to the photos to see if I can build another cluster up there. But I couldn't get it to work, so I've used that flare button, Sweet Summer Days, and I really like how the two circular elements work together. And I tried that Hello Sunshine again, but just couldn't get it to happen. Oh, and there's my son popping in. He wanted me to fix his toy. And here you see, I'm just going ahead and sticking my cut file down. I've put it on some, bumped it up on some foam to give it some dimension. And I really like how the splashes of water, yeah, sit in beside the photo. I did think about backing the splashes, maybe with some sequins or something, but in the end, I like how it turned out. And I'm just going ahead and gluing those florals in place, popping a couple up with some foam to give it a bit more dimension and get it to sit properly. And I think I go ahead and add, yeah, this word is simply the best and the arrow. And I felt like it was still missing something. And so I did end up, you'll see in the final pictures, I did end up pulling in a sticker from the collection and just put a little bit about where we were and the date. And then as you can see, I'm nearly finished, although I do go ahead and just rough up the edges of the paper. Of course, I do this at the end. But yeah, I'm just using my fingernail to kind of distress the edges. So I think that's about all for my video today. If you've liked this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'd love to have you join my channel. As I mentioned at the beginning, this layout was created for Scrap the Boys challenge blog. You'll see the link in the description below. I'll go ahead and post some images at the end. But yeah, thanks everybody. Bye for now.